Welcome to another Canadian Security Professionals video tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to change your batteries on your 2 gig smoke detector. To the left side of the detector there are 2 lines, one on the detector and one on the bracket. Take note of where it is located as it will be easier to reattach after. Just grab the detector and twist counterclockwise and it will come off. The batteries are right here and you can pop out your old ones and push in your new ones like this. You will reattach your detector by lining up the 2 lines, offsetting them slightly as they will line up when it is locked into place and twisting clockwise.